Hello everyone, welcome to our English listening practice. Today we have a story about Miguel. Miguel is an 18-year-old student from Brazil. He is traveling to the United States for an exchange program. Let's listen to his story. Miguel is at the airport in São Paulo. He is very excited, but he is also a little nervous. He says goodbye. He gets on the plane. The flight is long. It takes 10 hours. Miguel drinks some water, eats a meal, and sleeps. Finally, the plane lands in New York. Miguel smiles. He is in the United States. Now, Miguel is in the immigration line. His heart is beating fast. It is his turn. He walks to the immigration officer. Officer, good morning. Can I see your passport and visa, please? Miguel, good morning. Yes, here you are. What is the purpose of your visit? I am an exchange student. I am here to study English. Where are you going to stay? I am staying with a host family in New Jersey. Okay. How long are you staying? For 6 months. Great. Welcome to the United States. Enjoy your studies. Thank you very much. Miguel takes his bags and meets his host family at the airport exit. Their names are Mr. and Mrs. Williams. They have a son named James. They are very friendly. They drive to their house. The house is beautiful. It has a big garden. Mrs. Williams shows Miguel his bedroom. It has a bed, a desk, a window, and a big closet. Miguel is very happy and tired. He unpacks his bags and eats a delicious dinner. The next day is Monday. It is Miguel's first day of school. He takes a yellow school bus with James. The school is big and modern. There are many students from different countries like Japan, Spain, and Colombia. Lucas meets his teacher, Miss Sarah. She is very nice. Miguel sits next to a student from Italy. The class is fun and easy to understand. Miguel makes 2 new friends on his first day. At night, Miguel is in his room. It is quiet. He opens a notebook. He likes to write in his diary to practice his English. This is what he writes. Miguel, dear diary, today was a wonderful day. Yesterday, I arrived in the USA. The immigration officer was nice. My host family is excellent. The house is very comfortable. Today, I went to my new school. The school is big and the teacher is great. I have new friends now. I love this country. I am tired, so good night. This is the end of Miguel's first days in the United States. Now let's practice. Answer these 3 questions in the comments below. Where is Miguel from? How long is he staying in the United States? What is his teacher name? Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more English practice. See you next time.